O most kind Tulsi plant, Devi, to whom the feet of Govinda are so dear, have you seen the infallible Krishna walking by this way, wearing a garland of tulsi leaves and manjaris, and encircled by swarms of bees? Ali Kula. Ali Kula means, Ali means bees and also means gopis. Ali. Preshta alibi sevyamanam smarami. In the pranam prayer to Radha Govinda Dev, situated at the Vrindavan Mahayogapit, Divyad Brindaranya Kalpa Jumadad Shimad Ratnagara Simhasanasto Shimad Srila Radha Govinda Devo Preshta alibi sevyamano smarami. Preshta Ali, surrounded by their dearmost chief and main Sakhis and Manjaris, and the 24 petal configuration of the lotus at the Yoga Pit, with the 4 Digdwaras. So there's 28 Sakhis there. And in the middle there's Radha and Krishna. So there's 29 Sakhis and Krishna. So this is Ali Kula. Kula means family or swarm or group. Gurukul, the family of the Guru. So Ali Kula.